Hi and welcome to my rebirth of my old channel. My old channel on YouTube used to be called Jimmy's Gardening Allotment. So it is now named Jimmy's Gardening because I don't have a allotment anymore. I now have a brand new back garden. I've only recently moved into this property and already I've done some changes to it. I've felled down some trees that were in the garden, therefore opening it up, letting more light, more air and more room for me to grow stuff. I will take you through the journey of me transforming my back garden into a homestead, into a grow your own vegetable section where I'll be growing all types of vegetables. I am currently on this side, the north side of the garden, building a greenhouse. I'm also doing a video on how to erect a greenhouse, how to map out the garden. So I hope you come along with me on this journey of weekly videos on how I'm going to transform this garden, how I'm going to teach you how to do the same. I will also teach or show you how to sow seeds, when to sow seeds, when to prick them out, pot them on, plant them out, and how to harvest. When is the best time to harvest? I will also go through some pests and diseases as we go along. So welcome, please subscribe, please thumbs up, it would help a lot. Thank you. Into the back garden. There's going to be some changes in this back garden. So we've already talked about getting rid of some of these trees. So this is my new home. Now you can see what the garden looks like after all the trees have been removed. It has opened up the garden quite a lot. And I've gained an awful lot more space and light to grow my vegetables. This is where I'm putting the greenhouse. Next video. I have all the greenhouse siding right here. Siding for my beds, glass for the greenhouse, but it's made a huge big difference to how big the garden actually is.